come up to the mouth of the Little Sioux to get some bait. And the old trick from last time worked again. I just run the boat up through here in circles and then backed up, and one jumped right in the back of the boat. Big old silver carp. So I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit of this on film this time. Whoa! How about that? So I come up here in the entrance to the Little Sioux, see if I get some bait, and sure enough, I had one jump in the boat a few minutes ago that I made another pass up through here, and lo and behold, this big guy jumped right in the front, and this big guy jumped right in the back and landed on the net that was laying in the bottom of the boat. Flipped the net over. So I've got bait for the day. How about that, huh? It was crazy. I couldn't believe it. Two fish jumped in at the same time. And all I done, and I got third one in live well, so I got more than enough cut bait for the day. So I'm gonna call it good. It's fun. It's fun though. Having fish jump in your boat, it's pretty crazy. I'm gonna make a run through here just to see if we can get some on film. Get another one on film. I'm pretty sure the GoPro got the last one jumping in. I ain't gonna lie though, it's pretty dangerous. One of those hits you in the head, it'll knock you right out. Hey, my YouTuber friends. Back out on the Missouri River this weekend. I just can't resist trying for that big catfish. I got that 12-pounder that first weekend, this nice channel cat. Then last weekend is 10-pound channel cat. It's a pretty good channel cat, but I ain't got nothing giant yet. I'm kind of looking to get a big flathead, you know, big blue. The dream's really a big blue, but we'll see what we catch tonight. Poles are out, camp's put up, and I'm anxious to catch fish. The rod's been rattling, so there's little ones biting already. And I got a few diddy lines set out too, so you never know what the night will bring. And the moon's not up yet, so that's good. It's gonna be dark for a while. All right, see you in a little while. Well, it's getting dark, and I decided to go out and check my diddy lines I had hanging off some of these bridge pilings with a bungee cord and a water bottle for a bobber. And I pulled up this one. It looks like I got something on here. So let's pull it up in here, see what we got. It's not big. Definitely got something though. She's flopping around. Not too bad. Flayable little cat. That makes some fine smoked fillets. I've been smoking these cats up since I've been catching them, and smoked catfish pretty dang good with a chipotle seasoning on it. Yeah, all right. First fish of the night. Wasn't getting nothing back at the camp, so throw this in the live well. All right, first fish in the live well. Pretty good start. Not even 7:30 right now, so all right, let's cruise on down river and go see what we got on the next ones. I'm gonna unhook this anchor real quick. We're pulling up here to another one of my lines that got hung off the pilings for the rock jetties, the wing dams. This one looks pretty calm. I got a fish. Got a little bitty fish. How about that? Uh-oh. Oh boy, got a lot of pressure on this one. Holy shit. Alright. We're gonna have to pull up there and dally off to the piling. I was just holding on by the string there. So pretty confident that bungee cord setup will hold a big fish, just holding the whole boat. He's got a little guy, he's hooked through the back somehow, it looks like. Oh, look at that. Let's pull this fish in, get him unhooked, get him back out. Somehow he's hooked through the back. Crazy fish. How about that? Through the back. Alright, he goes back in. Still got the bait. It's a pretty basic hookup. I got spun up a little bit though. Let's get unhooked and get out of here. Let's go see if we got some bigger ones on. Makes the night fun when you catch something. Even if they're not giants, it's better than nothing. And it's only 7:37. So, night's still young. Well, pulled up to my line I got back here and back this little spot here on the wing dam. It's looking like I got a fish on it. Oh, definitely got a fish on it. What's it caught on though? It's caught on something. God dang it. Oh, so bad. There we go. Got him in. Holy smokes. It's a lot of work. That fish was wrapped around a limb deep down in there. I had to get a little wet, get that one. Oh man. But this good keeper size fish here. There we go. He's gonna be dinner. He's gonna be dinner. No giant. He's gonna be good eating, that's for dang sure. Pulled up to one of my lines I got set off these wing dam pilings. I pulled her up here. Let's see what we got. Got big ass gars, what we got. Big old gar. He's all wrapped up in a mess. Oh, what a mess. There we go. All right, this is one of the lines I got hung at camp here, and it's got a fish on it for sure. It's just a little guy though, it feels like. Oh, it was a gar, I'm pretty sure. Didn't even get hooked. A long-nosed gar. Put some fresh bait on there and see if we can't get a catfish on it. So here's the nighttime layout. Got the GoPro over there, clamped to plank, next to my shovel there, lantern, and 1, 2, 3 rods out, all different depths, different spots. One's out by the levee, or by the end of the wing dam. One's off the crown of the sandbar, and one's downstream from the sandbar. Then, got my fire going right next to me. Keep me all cozy warm. Oh yeah. Beautiful night, beautiful night. Oh, the phone takes such good pictures too. Because you can't see the river right now with your naked eyes. But the phone can see it all right. It's a pretty good camera. Good morning, everybody. Made it to Saturday mornings, going out and check the lines. Let's go see what we got. I think we got something. We're gonna pull up here and dally off. Let's see what we got here. Nothing. It don't feel like nothing. Feels like nothing's on there. Okay. Oh, I got a little cat. One for the frying pan. Yeah. Get this guy off here and get him rebaited. Perfect for some good fillets. The old cut bait. It's all twisted from the cat being on there all night, but just simple weight, cut bait, and a bobber about 4 foot up, so it's just drifting back there in the current. Just that's what's been producing for me last night. And this morning so far, this one's got one. The last one was stripped, so the last one had something on it. Alrighty, there we go. There's the get up right there. Got anything or not? Oh, it's got a fish. It had a. Oh, it's got a fish. I can see him. All right. Oh, off he came. He wasn't quite big enough to keep, anyways. Strange though. It's right up against the bank. This one's caught 2 fish. Oh, so we'll get this guy rebaited. Sit it on out there. Well, pulling up to one of these lines that got tied off to the old wing dam pilings. Looks like I got one on here, so I'm gonna dally off. See what we got. See here. It's back over here. Bobber. Oh. Another little perfect eater size cat there. Yeah. Not bad. I just put this line out. It's been about an hour. So I'm gonna go check the other ones. The morning bite has been the best. Always is, you know. And last night it was pretty good for about an hour after it got dark, but after that it tapered off. one's still got decent bait on it, so just gonna leave it, throw it back out. I wasn't planning on checking them so early, but I drove past this one. It looked like there's something on it. There's the old get up. It's fancy. All right, we'll go on to the next one here. Well, got done working the rod and reels for a little while. Had one big fish on. It's looking like it got a rainstorm getting ready to blow in on me, so I figured I better go check the diddy lines. This one's buried, so this one had a bobber on it. This one in the past has been a hassle. Sometimes we'll get a fish on it, get caught on the debris down there. So we're gonna pull up here and dally off and pull it up, see what you got. There's definitely a fish on here. The line's moving. I missed a big fish. Missed a big fish. I was bottom bouncing. Hopefully we get something decent here. Got something for sure. Not very big though. Not shabby. Good dinner size fish there. Definitely nice fat fish. Wish I could get one on the rod though. I think I'm gonna have to come down here to the spot, work this little cut. But I tell you, after getting one in a deep water, 30 foot's where I had that fish on, the big one. Had him on, it just came off. I don't know how it came off. But here we go. Get a little eater fish here. Get her unhooked, get her in the live well. This one looks like it's got a fish on it again. Sure enough. This little line back here, 3 foot of water, it's had a fish every time I checked it. He's talkative, little guy. Oh, spots on him. It's a pretty little fish. Pretty little fish. Ain't quite big enough to eat though. Listen to him. Says, let me go. Let me go. All right. Lines are doing pretty good this week. Ain't caught one on rod and reel yet, but the lines are doing good. There we go. Just back here, there's hardly any current. There's a little bit of current, so I just use a little 1.5 ounce. Might even be a 2 ounce pencil weight, and just the old cut bait setup. That silver carp is some killer good cut bait. Stays on there. Those fish can mouth it until they get it finally. It's not like shrimp or livers or any of that stink bait you get from the store that always falls off. That cut bait stays on good. Well, I'm gonna head on to the next one, see if we've got anything on it. About 9 o'clock. Checking the lines. Got my first fish on for the night. Decent little cat. Decent little cat. And some jumping carp going on in the background. There we go. Ooh, gotta get them off here quick because the river's messy. The river's fast. Alright. Bait's not bad. Not a bad cat. Good little filleting size, that's for damn sure. There we go. Alright, into the live well he goes. I can't catch a single fish on a line, but all my diddy line's in the right spot this trip. Sometimes it's just the opposite. Get some bait on here real quick. Get back out again. Alright, this is the old water bottle bobber setup. It's pretty twisted though. Get down to the end here and kind of things drift. Alright, the river's starting to take me. Not too bad though. Let me get this sucker better. Pretty good start. Alright, out she goes. Yeah. First line, first fish. Pull back here to the line back here against the bank. It looks like I got another one on back here. Let's see. Oh, man. God dang it. That's a keeper fish too. Well, we're rolling up on the ones I got off this big tree here hanging over this little cut. See if we got anything on these. Oh yeah. Let's see. I think the one on the limb's got it. This is a hard spot to get to. This is a hard spot to get to here. Current's real bad. Pretty sure I got one on it. Bobber. I don't even know if I want to have this one out anymore. This guy here. Let's see. Ah, got a little cat on there. This little guy, and he's all twisted up. Too bad of a little cat, third cat. Not too shabby. Gotta get him out quick though. Boat's drifting pretty fast. Pull us back over there. Not too bad of a little cat. Just ain't quite big enough to keep though. Look at this. Check this last line. I got a northern pike on a piece of cut bait. Huh? Northern pike on a piece of cut bait. Hanging off diddy line. It's hooked in the side of the head, so what an odd catch. I'm gonna throw it in the live one. I'm gonna smoke it with the rest of them. It's a fat little pike. Right here on the diddy line. I'll be danged. This line hasn't produced nothing all day, and come nighttime got a pike on it, of all things. Well, I went to see what was shaking up in the woods here. Big fat beaver. That's worth a little video, huh? He is big. You don't see many beavers on land. Look at the size of him. Didn't know what was back here. Look at him, he's dragging a big ass tree. He don't even care I'm here. I'll be dang, things you see on the river. There he goes, there's his trail, his slide. Go! Go on the other side so I can see him. This one's a strong little animal. He's fat too. Oh, dang, he's fat. Well, the only short ways is the water. Things you see on the river. So this is the camp setup. Bright and early on Sunday. Boat. It's a beautiful river. The fire's still smoking from the night before, and the rods are already getting hits. Probably a bunch of small fish. They just don't give up, those little ones. I got coffee brewing right here. And I always bring a bag of sugar and creamers. Yeah. Now this is how I set some stuff up. Put my lantern away in here, and then my coffee pot goes down in here. Then over in this container here, got pots and pans, bowls and plates, and in here in these containers got all my forks and knives. And then one below that I got flaying knives and baggies and more utensils. Got pretty organized so I can just grab it and go hit the river every weekend if I can. Pretty lucky, pretty lucky. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm feeling pretty old this morning. Back sore, and my elbows are sore from reeling in and checking so many lines last night, pulling stuff and pulling the anchor, and yeah, living life like a homeless guy on the weekends is pretty hard on you. I'm ready to get home, and well, just went and checked all the other lines, nothing. So I'm gonna pull back here to Old Trusty's and see if we got something on these two lines back here that normally are producers. This one's all off the side, so it had something happen. It's either got a fish on it or it's got snagged on something. Or had a fish, the fish is snagged. Yeah, it's way over here off the side, so a fish had it. Oh, there's fish on it. There's fish on it. Not a big one. He's all tangled up in a mess. I think it'll be easier to get him from this side. This little guy. He's pretty wore out. This little guy. First fish of the morning though, for all the lines. I can't believe this is it. So that's the ones that are biting. You can barely get the hook in them out. Rebait this. Because yesterday I had more fish bite after daylight. So I'm gonna pull back here to the back here, see what's going on there. See, oh, my weight's gone. All right, better get a weight tight on. This is actually the last line of the morning. I forgot about it. It's got a fish for sure. Feels decent too. Oh yeah, nice fish. I'm gonna get the net so I don't pull the hook out. Nice, nice. Yeah. Good fish. Let's see what we got here. Had a couple fish flop off. Nice fish. Might be a blue cat too. Yeah. Definitely a good blue cat. Sweet. No giant. But a pretty nice fish. And truth be told, I didn't catch a single fish on a rod and reel this weekend. I was lucky I put the diddy lines out. He's a talkative little guy. Oh, blue cats are best eaten too. You can tell the difference. They're far better than cat. Far better than channel cat. Truthfully, and for me, flathead are so few and far between, I don't even keep them. So it's been so long since I had a flathead. I got her hooked good. Dang it. All right, I'm gonna get this hook out. All right. This line has produced fish every time I've been back here, pretty much. So let's see what we got on here. It's definitely something on here. It's pulling pretty good, so I got the net out. We got, looks like a little flathead. Oh, and he swallowed it too. I'd rather let him go. He's got it totally swallowed. So, looks like it's gonna be some flathead for dinner, I guess. It's not very big. I'd rather not keep him. but he's got it way down in the gullet. So it's the last line. I got one more. I guess I got two more lines to check. It looks like the one behind me might have fish on it too, so see you on the next line. Well, he wasn't hooked near as bad as I thought. So pretty little fish. Pretty little fish. Back he goes. I think I'll get a photo with him, just, I don't know. He's a pretty little fish. Yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. He had the whole chunk of meat down in his gullet and barely had a hook in there. So yeah, I'm happy about that. There ain't too many flatheads. And you know, there's a lot, but I like seeing them get big. Flathead can get giant. I'd rather not keep a small one. Well, let me get all this unhooked and get on to the next lines. Well, my YouTuber friends, the weekend trip has come to an end. I checked all my lines and got them all pulled in and wrapped back up. Ready for the next trip out, probably next spring, tell you the truth. That last little flathead that I was able to get thrown back is the last fish of the trip. Caught probably 20 fish total. None on the rod and reel though, so this is just gonna be a diddy line adventure, I guess. But missed a couple nice ones on the rod and reel. That's pretty sad because it was pretty good fish. I don't know what happened where they came off like they did, but I don't know. It's just fishing, I guess. So we'll see you on the next adventure. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe for me now. I like to see those numbers coming up. Get a couple new every week. So take her easy now. Hope everything's going good in your life. Well, everybody, this is the take for this weekend. All on the diddy line and a pike that I ended up throwing back instead of keeping. So not too bad, not too good. I sure wish I could have got the ones in that I missed on the rod and reel, but there we go. Gonna be a lot of food for the winter right here. Fish fry every week and a bunch of smoked fillets. Thanks for watching.